Asalamualikum everyone, and welcome back to English with Zafarzai. How to speak English like a pro in just 30 days. Let me just quickly show you the ways that how to start speaking in English like a pro within just 30 days. Let me quickly remind you that improving your English speaking skills to a pro level just in 30 days requires dedication, consistency, and a structured approach. But in this video, I can help you that how you can start speaking in English like a pro in just 30 days with the help of these tips, which I want to share with you in this video. Before I move towards any one of these tips, if you are new to the channel, make sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, share this video with any one of your friends. Also, subscribe to the channel right now. Click on this bell to notify to it, and you will receive any video I upload anytime to this channel. Once you are done with these 3 tasks, let's get started and improve your English in just 30 days to a pro level. Let's dive in. The first thing you gotta do is to set clear goals. Well, before starting, you're gonna have to define what you want to achieve, right? You want to achieve conversational skills, you want to improve your English vocabulary, you want to improve your English grammar. This should be clear, right? This takes a prime importance in order to achieve your goal in just 30 days, which is to start speaking in English like a pro, right? This gives you the direction and also gives you the motivation. In order to achieve your goals, you're gonna have to set clear goals. This is the key in achieving the fluency and becoming like a pro in just 30 days. Well, the second thing you're gonna have to do in order to achieve your goal is to develop a learning plan. Well, in here, you're gonna have to make a schedule, right? You're gonna have to schedule your time. That in this time, I wanna improve my English listening, in this time, English grammar, in this time, English vocabulary. This is how you're gonna have to create a learning plan, right? This gives you the motivation. As you are scheduled, then it becomes easier for you to achieve your goal, which is to start speaking in English like a pro in just 30 days. So you're gonna have to allocate time for each task in order to achieve your goal and ensure a comprehensive learning. Well, in here, you're gonna have to improve and learn new words every single day, right? Make this as a habit to learn every single day some new words and phrases that will improve and expand your English vocabulary. Well, alright, you can improve your English vocabulary through the flashcards method, or you can use different apps available on Play Store to improve your English vocabulary, or you can read, and whenever you are coming across any new word that seems to be unfamiliar with you, then just pick it up and write it down on a sheet of paper, find its meaning, and use it in a context, in your speech, in your conversation. Give it a try so that to master it, and you will never forget that word. And the easiest way to remember word for a lifetime is to use it in your conversation. Give it a try and improve your English vocabulary. I am sure you can start speaking in English like a pro in just 30 days. If you want to improve your English vocabulary, definitely I have several videos uploaded on this topic, how to improve your English vocabulary. You can find their links in the description box below. Go there, check them, and improve instantly your English vocabulary for speaking in English like a pro in just 30 days. Well, alright, the next thing you're gonna have to do in order to achieve your goal, which is to start speaking in English like a pro in just 30 days, which is to improve your English pronunciation. Focus on improving your pronunciation by listening to the native English speakers. What they say, try to imitate it, right? And just focus on the patterns of the speech, how they pronounce the words, just pause whatever you are listening to and try by yourself to pronounce the thing what you just heard, right? This is how you will improve your English pronunciation, and that will help you to start speaking in English like a pro in just 30 days. One of the best ways found to improve your English pronunciation is to practice pronunciation of the difficult words, right? This is how you will articulate them clearly and will help you to just improve your English pronunciation, and that pronunciation will enable you to start speaking in English like a pro in just 30 days, which is your goal, right? Well, my final tip in order to start speaking in English like a pro in just 30 days is to enhance your English listening skills. Well, you're gonna have to listen here to the English podcasts, audiobooks, music, movies. Just expose yourself to listening English content, and that will help you to have access to different accents and the patterns of the speeches, and which will help you improve your English listening ability. Also, pay close attention to the intonation, rhythm, and the stress patterns and syllables, right? This is how you will improve your English listening skills, and it will enable you to start speaking in English like a pro in just 30 days. All right, it's done, right? Now you can start speaking in English like a pro in just 30 days with the help of these tips which I shared with you in this video. All right, if you agree with these tips I shared with you in this video that will help you to improve and enhance your English speaking skills in just 30 days to a pro level, just leave me in the comment section below any beautiful comment, so that I will just have to look at it and will motivate me to kind of make more and more videos for you to enhance your English speaking skills in no time. Now you take care of yourself, and I will see you in my next coming video. Take care. Bye.